CapCut is a video editing tool that will allow you to edit vertical video, and it's now available on the Mac. To get that on your Mac, you'll just want to go to your Launchpad, go to your App Store, open your App Store, search for CapCut, and begin the download. It will take just a moment, and once it downloads, it will give you proper instructions to follow at that time. So just another moment here, and it will download. While we're waiting, let me tell you about Get the Word Out. Get the Word Out is a channel that I'm starting where I'm going to talk about the theology of online ministry and growing your online ministry to the glory of God. If you're interested in content like that, you're a Christian content creator, you'll want to subscribe. Well, it's still loading. Now it's done. Let's go ahead and open it. And, oh, didn't have to do anything extra. We are all set and ready to go. All right, well, maybe I'll be back with a tutorial on how to use it once I learn a little bit. Until then, God bless, and don't forget to subscribe.